Hi guys. You guys recognize this background? I'm still at home. I was supposed to leave yesterday, but my brain was just like, oh, one more thing. Oh, one more thing. And then I hit the too many things paralysis. So I got my coat. It's snowed last night in the, well, freezing rained yesterday in the gorge, and today it's supposed to be snowing. I figured driving on snow is better than driving on sheets of ice, which is funny because I just went outside to bring down my grocery tag. So I'm trying to talk and remember why I came into my bedroom. Here we go. Scarf. That where scarf goes? I don't know. Ugh, my coat has got like some weird stuff all over it. I guess I'll bring it with me and wash it at my mom's house. Maybe. Whoa, I thought the lights went out. Anyway, snow, freezing rain. I went outside to go drop off a couple, no, I'm doing this in 2 trips. Here's one trip, going down. So I went outside here in Estacado, which is basically, for people not from Oregon, basically Portland. Pendleton is almost Idaho, depending on who you ask. So I come out and I was like, it rained. And then I look down, see that blue thing right there? Right there. That's my old rabbit litter box. Did you guys know that you can litter train rabbits? They really kind of do it themselves because they like to poo and pee in the same spot all the time. So all you have to do is provide a clean spot, and that's what they'll use. You just put down little pellets is what I used. Whew. Okay. Set you guys up on the rat. Over here. So, thinking, so it rained last night. That's cool. No, it rained this morning. It's chilly. It's chilly. Rained this morning. I had a unannounced visit from a dog, which means that not only was it raining, but my door wasn't closed all the way or at all or something. That the dog randomly decided to come and visit me. Which is cool. He was a gentleman. Normally he's a jerk and he steals socks. But this time he wasn't a jerk and he just was like, hey. He didn't even eat the cat food. Like, he ate the cat's wet food that had been sitting there for a couple days. It was no longer wet food, it had become dry food. Leave my water bottle out. And leave my hot tea out because it's cold. So, check out my windows. Can you see through that? That's freezing rain. I think it's funny. But it like coats everything. Oh. It's warm enough that it's starting to melt, so that'll be a good thing. But it's like sliding off the metal roofs and everything. So that's fun. I managed to miss freezing rain and 30-mile-an-hour winds that I get to experience it here in town. Whoa! Oh, it's slippery. Okay, so I'm gonna need my hands. So I've got big old box of presents. It's not heavy, it's just big to take with me. What else do I have? I feel like I'm forgetting things. Maybe not. Can't tell what it smells like up here. Tea tree oil. No. Put it back, it didn't tip over. Tea tree oil and carrots. Maybe. I don't know. You guys like my hat? I knit this myself. I had a friend who liked it, except for she wanted it taller, and I basically doubled the recipe. I don't know why I call knitting patterns recipes, and made it in the colors that she wanted. She wanted a blue one and a red one for Halloween, and she and her boyfriend went as gnomes. It was cute. Anyway, so I guess I am going to go because I've got all the things I need out of my apartment. Cat's got extra food, extra water. Yep. Okay, apartment. We'll see you on Monday. So I'm going to head out today to Eastern Oregon, and then I'll come back tomorrow because I have ADHD class on Tuesday. Like, crazy early Tuesday. So, we'll see what happens. Cat wants in to the closet. Hey! Ha, you lost. Sometimes I play Weeping Angels with him. We stare at each other and whoever moves first gets eaten. I'm joking. Don't eat my cat, that's gross. Anyway, alright, bye guys!